Okay, sorry, I don't know what happened with this video. I must have had the wrong button pressed or something, and it was zooming along, and I was talking to you guys, and yeah, there's nothing there. But anyway, what I was telling you guys, I found another 69 SS Chevelle that I've known about for years and years and years. The thing's been parked for 45 years. It was crashed about 45 years ago. It got in a game of chicken in town, and it and a 69 Camaro, pretty much in the middle of town. Yeah, they played a little game of chicken, and I think they both swerved the wrong way, and yeah, the car got pretty wrecked. So at that point, it's been parked, and it's been in an auto wreckers here for years. I've known of the car, probably even rode in it way back then. And so now I want to go get it and pull it out of the auto wreckers and drag it home. I've made a deal on it. Just coming up here, I'm going to try and slow down the video. Right here is where the accident actually happened in town. Okay, sorry about that, having some technical difficulties. But anyway, yeah, we're going to go out, and I've never forgot about this car, so yeah, I just can't stand to see it maybe go to the crusher and that. I don't think that should happen. I'll be back.
Suspension end with a 302 with a 5-speed in it there.
Oh, okay.
And then the 6-cylinder that was in the Ford there, then because he's got a 63 Ford unibody there that you can just drop that motor in and it's up and running and you can get it licensed and whatnot then.
Right, okay.
So, yeah, because when you asked me you would do anything Saturday, and I had to think, I thought there was something else I was going to do, but I can't remember what it was. Yeah, Brian asked me if I'd come over with him on Saturday, and then popped in there late yesterday afternoon, and he was headed over there then. So.
Oh, okay. There's still hundreds of cars out here, so it's a pretty interesting drive through here to find the Chevelle. Kind of neat. So yeah, have a look.
Now we could take the long way around or the short way.
Whatever way you want.
Yeah, we'll go the long way. I know we did drift it up here a little bit there.
Yeah, getting slushy too, eh?
Oh yeah, yeah.
So you were over in Red Deer, you said?
Well, over in the home area between there and Black Falls.
I was in Red Deer late yesterday, and man, the water running around there.
Oh, I can imagine.
It was crazy. There was so much water.
As long as you don't run out of battery power every time we get there.
Yeah, I've got my phone and my other phone in my pocket, so I got another backup.
Okay.
Very
now,
good.
am I going to sink through this hole here, or am I going to float on top? Oh, on top. Good. Big wicked hole there. Nice thing about when it freezes over, it makes this thing like a highway almost.
Yeah, a sinkhole when it doesn't, eh?
Oh, yeah. There's a big sinkhole right there, too, there. See all the deer tracks.
Oh yeah. I've been buying parts of this auto wreckers for probably 45 to 50 years since I was a kid. I've been coming out here, so yeah, kind of neat. Actually, even passing some of my old cars that had ended up out here, good, bad, or otherwise. But yeah, it's kind of neat because we even passed some of them, I see. Some did not have a good life, but oh well. Thing motors around pretty good in here.
Oh yeah, it's nice when they're all-wheel drive there.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Get out and have a little look-see. And there it is. Okay, there it is. 1969 Chevelle. They got caught up in a game of chicken. This cowl's not that bad. I don't know if I can zoom out for you guys. Okay, so that door, it looks like it's toast. Maybe some parts on it, but it's bent. There's some headers there. Fairly good sized tube, too. A little nest in there. Somebody's been living here. Birdie. Okay, you can see the headline is kind of shot. We'll go around and have a look at that glove box because that's what I remember from years ago. Remember them decals in there.
Oh, yeah.
Remember when it was his brother's car? I used to go look at it. Actually, the bottoms of the doors are pretty decent. They're not all rusted out on this door. It's good. Little spot there. The rocker's actually pretty good. I don't know what the underneath. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Put it up on the sawhorse so we walk
Oh, I see them brackets are still there that only come on the SS. Yeah, them stabilizer brackets that go right down by the lower torque arm. Yeah, it's still there. Roof's got some dingers in it. Quarter's got some dings in her. Trunk lid is just actually really good. The seam's not all rusted out or nothing. Got the old Edelbrock and Crane and Holly. I'm Canadian and proud of it. Actually, trunk doesn't look that bad, does it? Better than the trunk in the one I got. You can see where the SS emblem used to be. This one had bumperettes, which was an option. And I just might need that hitch for my other car. Come back and have a little look at it. We'll get to the damaged side. It was hit on the driver's side. That's where all the damage was. Back window still there. Some stainless is still there. What's left of a back seat. Heater controls are still there. Glove box. There's rear defrost, which is a rare option. A lot of just Canadian cars most of the time. Serial number still intact there. Dash is bent. Obviously the front pillar is bent. And there's the front cowl. This took all the brunt of the accident. You can see how it tore away there in that mount. How crushed that is. For as bad as that looks, the roof's not buckled as bad there as I would think. You can see the bend in the frame. Front disc brakes.
Broken motor mount.
And a really broken motor mount. Obviously the frame is toast. The shell needs some work.
The mirror with the light on it.
What's that?
The mirror's got a light on it.
Oh yeah. A little light on the underneath of the mirror. Yeah, that's cool. I don't know if I can see that with this. There we go. Right here. Your map light or whatever you want to call it. But actually the rockers are fairly decent in it and the floor is fairly decent. Needs typical quarter panels like most. And then the guy's got to find a good parts car to come up with a bunch of other parts for it.
That's that yellow Beaumont.
See the yellow Beaumont over there?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we'll go by and have a look at it.
Yeah.
So it might be.
Drive up to it.
Okay.
You still got that 4-door one you had?
4-door Chevelle?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. So the
that cowl should be the same.
yeah, the cowl should be the same. The frame should be the same. Yeah. Good. So I remember this car from like 46 years ago. My friend owned it, and another friend owned a '69 Camaro that both didn't do so well in a game of chicken. So I've known about this car sitting for all these years. I've tried to buy it a few times and I couldn't, but now I finally could. So I just can't stand to see it get wrecked. So I'm going to bring it home and we're going to do something with it. So I just can't stand to see it go to the crusher. It's an SS Chevelle with some histories. So I will video it in the spring here when things dry up and we start to haul it home. So watch for that one, okay? See how bad the upper control arm got folded over. Must have busted it right out at the time, right?
Right out of the fold.
Yeah. Yeah, brutal game of chicken, eh? Guy, what's that?
Still recording?
Yeah.
That one of Carl's, that Chevelle of his there, and you looked underneath, you could see on his that the frame had been straightened out on it there. It was in a bad spot.
I know, I seen it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the column was actually crushed in on it, and you could see where the crushed thing and pulled back out. Yeah. So we got a rocker there that's got a little bend in there, all right. Yeah, that's amazing for an accident in town, how hard they actually hit.
Yeah. Well, if you're both doing 50 kilometers an hour, that's a 100 kilometers an hour collision.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, and being they were goofing around, they might have been doing a touch quicker. Never know. I can see how it bent it in there. The astral ventilation is a little tight.
A little restrictive.
Yeah, it was a nice SS Chevelle birdhouse for some years by the looks of it. Very cool. One of the old horns back there still. Little moss. Heater box is still there. And the cover. Actually, yeah, actually the floor's not all that bad. Pushed in there a little bit. Yeah, it's got some dents in the roof, some pretty good dents, but not like it. You don't. They're hard to see until you rub it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The headliner out, it's all open.
Yeah, yeah. A guy could pick and file a lot of them out of there. One tail light in it still. So follow along over the next while we get this 69 SS Chevelle out of the boneyard and haul it home. So we'll video and we get kind of maybe we're going to try and stick a diff under it while it's here and see if we can move a few vehicles. The snow dries up and the water and that stuff, and we'll get this home. So I'd like you guys to follow along and watch as we save this one from the crushers. Okay. So thanks for watching and look for future updates.